Able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So forming the polynomial, you have to use that format directly. You are not supposed to show anything. So now, if suppose question, if sum of the zeros is the first value from the that worksheet minus 8/3 and the product of zeros is given as 4/3. You have to form a polynomial. So sum of the zeros is already given. There are two methods. Listen both the methods. So first method, given format, x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. So directly you have to substitute the value x square minus of minus 8/3 into x plus 4/3. But further you have to simplify. Take LCM, it is x square plus 8/3x plus 4/3. But take a LCM, 3x square plus 8x plus 4/3. So that denominator 3 will be transferred. Here, this is a polynomial, but denominator 3 you got, that you have to remove it. Because anyhow, this polynomial will become equal to 0. Then this 3 will be transferred to other side and becomes 0. So your equation polynomial, required polynomial will be 3x square plus 8x plus 4. This is the required polynomial. But one more thing important for you. Till this, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you have to write before every polynomial k value, where k is any real number. Why we need to write k? Reason is, when you see the polynomial as 3x square plus 8x plus 4. So if you find out the zeros of this, then what are the zeros? 12 possible to find out? Yes. 3x square plus 8x plus 4. So factorizing zeros will be 3x square plus, it is 12, 6 2s are 12, 6x plus 2x plus 4, 3x into bracket x plus 2 plus 2 into bracket x plus 2. So 3x plus 2 and x plus 2. So x is equal to minus 2/3 or minus 2. So these are the alpha is minus 2/3 and beta is equal to minus 2 you got, right? Now I will multiply this equation with any number. Suppose I will multiply it with 2. This equation I will multiply with 2. So what will be the equation now?
6x
X
square
square plus
plus
16
16x plus 8.
plus 8.
Now try to factorize. 6 is a 48. 12 4 is a 48. 6x square plus 12x plus 4x plus 8. Factorize 6x into bracket x plus 2 plus 4 into bracket x plus 2. So 6x plus 4 and x plus 2. Equate them to 0. 6x plus 4 is equal to 0. 6x is equal to minus 4. X is equal to minus 4/6. What's the value? Minus 2/3. And another value of x, that is x plus 2 is equal to 0. Value of x will be minus 2.
Minus 2.
So these are the same zeros.
Yes, ma'am.
So that means whatever the values of sum of zeros and product of zeros has been given. So when you get, this is a basic polynomial, and if this polynomial will multiply with any real number, or you will get the same zeros every time. So therefore, to say that there is only one polynomial don't have the given zeros as minus 2 and minus 2/3. Every multiple of this polynomial will have same zeros. So therefore, we have multiplied with any real number, that is k. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now this is first method. Now second method. Any method you can use, no problem. For second method, they have given sum as -8/3 and product is equal to 4/3. So sum means alpha plus beta is equal to minus b/a. That value is -8/3. And product means alpha beta value is c/a, that is equal to 4/3. Now here in this polynomial, in this equation, value of a and this equation, value of a is same, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So consider the value of a as, now this is a fraction. This is a ratio of b and a is 8 and 3. So what is the value, actual value of a will be? If two terms are in the ratio 2:5, then the actual values will be
2x.
2x and
2x
5.
and 5x.
2x and 5x. Now here this is a ratio of b and a is 8/3. So what is the value of a?
3x.
3x.
So 3x instead of x, because x we are using in this polynomial. So therefore x we are not supposed to use, we will use k. A is 3k. What is the value of b?
8k.
8k. C?
4k.
4k. And you have a polynomial as ax square, basic formula, general formula for polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. What is the value of a? Is 3k into x square plus 8k into x plus c is 4k. Take k common, it is 3x square plus 8x plus 4. This is the required polynomial. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Both the methods clear? Yes.
Mom, I didn't understand how A equals 3, Mom.
B by A is 8/3.
Yes, Mom.
So what is A value?
Okay, so then why are we writing 3K, Mom?
Because it's a ratio. We don't know value. B by A, that is a fraction. B by A is 8/3. It can be 16/9 also.
Yes, Mom.
It can be 24 by this one also. 24/9 also. 16/6 also. It can be any multiple of 8 and 3, right?
Yes, Mom.
So therefore we have that two multiple. We don't know which multiple is that. So we have used K.
Okay, Mom.
Clear everyone, these methods? Both the methods?
Yes, Mom.
Yes, ma'am.
Whichever the method you find, this will, it is easier for you, you can use. Right from here, type 2, forming a polynomial.
Ma'am, how many types are there?
You can see the book. Everything I have kept there.
Okay, ma'am. So like 6 to 7 are there.
Inside that there are many different types of questions. Forming a polynomial, but the ways are different again.
Ma'am, in the first method, is it necessary to find the alpha and the beta?
No. You're directly writing the sum of zeros and product of zeros.
Okay, ma'am.
Directly you will be given sum. So you are substituting in this place, sum of zeros place, you are substituting that value. But this formula you have to write everywhere.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, what if they only give the sum of zeros and they don't give the product of zeros?
So some other values might be given along with it. From that you can find out. Just like there you can see third question is there like that. You can see in the book The third question. Can you see the question?
Ma'am, do we
Yes,
write the
ma'am.
example?
Third question is that we will solve. Third, fourth, fifth, like similar questions. What you were asking, like that. Both the methods you write down and then solve whichever the method is easier for you.
Ma'am, if k is any real number, so even k can be irrational number also.
Yes, it can be. Then also you will get the same answer. Completed?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, could you scroll down?
Then, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done.
Completed? Now you
Yes,
can try
ma'am.
the second main, you can try. Type 2. Second main fully, you can try. Type questions.
Ma'am, do we need to solve the first one again?
No, don't solve. First one you already have done from second.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, so it
Yes.
is important to write the formula in every question.
Yes, you have to write, but here it's okay. You can directly write.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, so after finding the required polynomial, we just have to add multiply with
K.
k.
Yeah, K has to be. Ritvik, join back.
Yes, ma'am. A few questions I have. Can I finish it after class and upload it?
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
You were there when I was explaining, right?
No, ma'am.
This question explaining, you were not there?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, in the fourth question, should we rationalize the sum?
No, don't do. Take LCM directly. Directly take LCM.
Yes, ma'am.
Ritvik, you know this? Should I explain?
Yes, ma'am.
So your sum of the zeros and product of the zeros will be given. And you have this polynomial you have to form. So for forming polynomial, x square minus sum of the zeros into x plus product of the zeros. This is the format of polynomial. So you have been given sum and 0. So in the first question, sum is given -8/3 and product is given 4/3. So you have to substitute and simplify. So x square plus 8/3x plus 4/3 and then take LCM. So it will be 3x square plus 8x plus 4. Divided by 3 will be transferred to other side. That is no use. So you have to leave that denominator. But you have to multiply with k outside. Because whatever the 0 of this polynomial you are getting, you multiply with any real number k, then also you will get the same zeros. So therefore, it is mandatory to write k outside the polynomial. Clear?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
And this was the second method. So where we used this in general format, we will use it. Ax square plus bx plus c. From this, you have to calculate the polynomial, form the polynomial. So value sum is given minus b by a is equal to -8/3. And alpha beta product given c by a, that is equal to 4/3. If you see, after seeing their relation, find the values of A, B, and C. These are the ratios, so we have to multiply them with K.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Amita?
On the second method, if the denominator of the sum and product are not same, what do we do?
You have to make it equal by similar, just like LCM, what we do the same way. Just like in
Ma'am,
the
how to
second
do the
question.
third one?
Third one, directly you have to write sum of the 0 is 2 root 3.
Okay, ma'am.
So substitute value.
Okay.
So Ambika, here it is 8 and 16, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So here multiply numerator and denominator with 2 to make it 16 equal. You have to make the denominator equal by multiplying with some common number.
Okay, ma'am.
Taking LCM and making the denominator same. Okay.
And what was the answer for the second one?
Second one, it is 16x square minus 42x plus 5.
Ma'am, for any required polynomial, maybe 16x square minus 8x, can we take out 8 common or like?
No.
Okay.
LCM you have to take it. LCM is 16.
Okay.
Ma'am, what's the answer for the fourth one?
2 root 5x plus 3x, 2 root 5x square plus 3x minus root 5.
Root 5. Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am.
These are the answers.
Now, what's the answer for second one?
16x square minus 42x plus 5.
Okay. Thank you.
Ma'am, we can do in whatever way we are comfortable with.
Yes.
Okay.
You can do with the first method or second method. Anything. But you should know both the methods. Because some of the places we need to use first method only. First method is easier.
For third one, should we factorize 9 or 2 root 3?
Why you need to factorize here?
Similar
Ma'am,
to
because they should
some of
be
the other,
okay. Yeah, they have common denominator.
daily
Denominator is common.
Done, ma'am.
All 9 questions you have completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, for the fourth one, we have to, for the second term, we have to multiply 2 root 5 up and down, right?
Ashish, you have to take the LCM of that. Yeah, 2 root 5. Yeah, root 5, you have to multiply up and down.
Okay, ma'am.
Atish, which question you are doing?
Ma'am, I'm doing the sixth one.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I got disconnected for a while. So after doing type 2 questions, we are supposed to do all these questions.
Yeah, 9 questions need to finish.
Okay, ma'am.
Complete your 9 questions.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Prithvi, Deepika, Vaibhavi, have you finished?
Ma'am, I'm in 8th question.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Sixth one.
Soumya, completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, just 2 minutes, last 2 questions.
Ma'am, could you show answers just for a second? Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Now the next type of questions. Variety of questions from the same, forming a polynomial, but the conditions given are different. For forming a polynomial, what we need?
Of the polynomial.
Sum of zeros and product of zeros.
Sum of zeros and product of zeros. Now in this given equation, we only have the sum of zeros. Product of zero we don't have. So we have to find that product of zero, then only we can form the polynomial. So what are the things given? From that we have to use those relations. Alpha plus beta is given 24 and alpha minus beta is given as 8. If we add them, we will get what we get. This plus beta and minus beta cancelled. Alpha plus alpha will become 2 alpha. 24 plus 8 will be 32. So we will get the alpha value as, what's the value of alpha?
16.
16.
16. Can we find the value of beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Alpha plus beta is equal to 24. Alpha is 16 plus beta is equal to 24. So what is the value of beta? 24 minus 16, that is 8. So beta is 8. So we got alpha and beta. Now we can find the product. Product is equal to alpha into beta. That is 16 into 8, which is 128.
28.
Now we got the sum and product both. So now polynomial is k into x square minus sum of zeros. Leave it. Don't write alpha plus beta. Sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. So k into x square minus sum is 24, x plus product is 128. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Write down. Third question. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Just a second, ma'am.
Ma'am, in this 1 0 can be taken as alpha or beta,
Yes.
right?
Yes, anyone you can consider. Alpha is 2 plus root 3 and the sum of the 0 is given 4. Find beta.
Mom, I got disconnected after the 9 problems. What did you do?
This is the question. Third one, third main.
Mom?
Third main. After that, second main, third question. Third main question. Next one, you got the beta value?
Ma'am, I got it as 2 plus root 3.
Yes, ma'am.
How will you get 2 plus root 3? 2 plus root 3 is
I
already
got
1, 0.
3.
Mom, I got
Mom, I got
minus
beta.
root 3.
Beta as
2 minus root 3.
2 minus root 3. Alpha is equal to 2 plus root 3. Alpha plus beta is equal to 4. So beta is equal to 4 minus alpha. 4 minus 2 plus root 3. So open the bracket. Both will become negative. So this is 2 minus root 3.
And the polynomial is x square minus 4x plus 1 into
Yes,
k.
right. We have already the sum. Now we need product. Product is equal to 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. A plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. 4 minus 3, that is equal to 1. So polynomial is k into x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. So k into x square minus 4x plus 1.
Ma'am, your screen froze for me.
Fifth and sixth, exactly similar way you can solve.
Ma'am, in the 5th and 6th, both alpha and beta is given, right?
Yes. Mohit, are you able to do? Mohit, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Prithvi? Prithvi, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Prithvi, join 3 o'clock batch for light chapter.
From
Today only I told you are not present today. So from next.
for us, they didn't start light.
No, they will start this one only. From last 2 years I have seen. 3 years, last 3 years I have seen they start with light only. So they will first term they will take light and human eye, and second term they will take electricity and this magnetic effect. From last 3 years I have seen the same. And for Ayush, it has started already this one only.
Ma'am, you called
Light
me?
only. No, not Prithvi. Prithvi I called. Ayush, in your class, this one light is started only, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that means surely yours also the same.
Ma'am, can you do the 6th one?
Sum is
3 plus root 3 by 5 plus 3 plus 3
3
minus
minus
root
root 3 by 5. Denominator same. Add numerators. Denominator
9 by
remains
5.
same. No. 3
6,
plus
oh,
3.
okay.
6
okay.
by 5. And then product will be
6 by 25.
6 by 25, right? And then from the polynomial,
Ma'am, I'm not getting the polynomial.
you got x square minus 6 by 5 x plus 6 by 25.
Yes, ma'am.
Take LCM.
Okay.
After taking LCM, this is the value.
Okay.
Mom, can we leave it in fraction itself?
No. 25x squared, here you have to multiply with 5, so minus 30x plus 6. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
One more question I will explain, then you can take. This is somewhat different question.
Mom, can you give 2 minutes?
Everyone completed 5th and 6th?
Yes, ma'am.
Now see what they have given. They have given here alpha and beta are the zeros of this polynomial x square minus 1. And you have to form the new quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 2 alpha by beta and 2 beta by alpha. That means you have to find the second polynomial. One polynomial is given whose zeros are alpha and beta. With that alpha and beta relation, the new zeros are there. New zeros are they given, but which are in relation with alpha and beta. So such kind of a question, what you have to do is first given polynomial is x square minus 1. Find the sum of the 0 and product of 0. Alpha and beta are zeros of this polynomial. So sum of 0 is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. What is a, b, c here? A is equal to
1.
b is
0.
0. C is
Minus 1.
minus 1. So minus b by a is
0.
0. And product alpha beta is equal to minus 1.
Minus 1.
Now for new polynomial, zeros are 2 alpha by beta and 2 beta by alpha. These are the zeros. Now for forming polynomial, we need a sum of these two zeros. So new sum is equal to, we have to form the sum of these two zeros. 2 alpha by beta plus 2 beta by alpha. We have to simplify such a way that we can substitute these values in this equation. We need to substitute these values in this equation. So simplify this. How to add?
2 alpha beta, 2 alpha square plus 2 beta square by alpha beta.
By alpha beta, right? Then take 2 common. It is alpha square plus beta square by alpha beta. Now, what has to be done?
Substitute alpha beta from the previous thing.
Alpha square plus beta square it is. A square plus b square is equal to identities.
A minus b plus b.
No, a square plus
No,
b
no.
square.
Plus 2ab.
A square
That
plus
will
b
be the
square.
whole square
A
plus
plus b whole square.
minus
A
2ab.
plus b whole square minus 2ab. Remember, you have used last year. So this is 2 in
Yes, ma'am.
bracket alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta, right? Divided by alpha beta. Now substitute the values of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. 2 in bracket 0 minus 2 into minus 1 by minus 1. So it will be 2 in bracket minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2 by minus 1, that is equal to minus 4. So we got new sum as minus 4. Now new product.
New product is 4.
Yes. 2 alpha by beta into 2 beta by alpha. So this alpha get cancelled, beta get cancelled. Answer is 4. So new product is 4. So therefore new polynomial will be k into x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. So it is k in bracket x square minus of minus, so plus 4x plus 4. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Everyone clear?
Note down.
Why, what you didn't understand?
Ma'am, from new sum we took as 2 alpha plus 2 beta, but why did we take twice the value?
Where we have taken twice the value? They have given, we found out the sum.
Okay, ma'am. So we just
Take
found
2 common. Here 2 alpha square plus 2 beta square you got. So 2 you have taken common.
okay, ma'am. Ma'am, so they have given an equation in which A and C both are 1 and B is 0. Now they are giving two new zeros and they're trying to ask us what is the new
New
polynomial.
polynomial, yeah. New zeros are in relation with the original earlier zeros.
Okay, ma'am, got it.
Ma'am, can you scroll up?
Yeah.
Ma'am, I have done writing.
You have completed, then homework will be 8th, 9th, 10, 11, 12. 8th and 9th try. If you're able to solve, okay. Not, we'll try. Similar one, exactly what we have solved 7th, same as 8th and 9th. Homework will be 8th, 9th, 10th, 11, and 12. Till 12.
Ma'am, where should we submit the science homework?
Science homework, science place.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, could you send the PDF for the question?
PDF for the question, which one? Maths,
Ma'am, both of them because I haven't bought those books yet.
why you have not taken?
Ma'am, actually we're out of station, so we weren't able to take it.
Ma'am,
Yes.
now you have to make one folder for science, ma'am.
Science already for this one is balance equation I have prepared.
Yes, ma'am.
Chemistry only, no?
Yes,
Homework.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, the same place you can upload.
Okay, ma'am. Fine.
Everything will be same place only it will be.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you scroll it up?
Yes, ma'am, I've done writing.
Whoever completed, they can leave. Homework is 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you scroll it? Yeah, thanks.
Thank you.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. In that science folder, I have already submitted something. So should I unsubmit it?
Unsubmit and submit. Both will be remain there only.
Okay, ma'am.
Both will be there. After unsubmitting, submitted, the earlier file and the new file, both will be there.
Ma'am, could you scroll up?
What happened? Where your
Thank you, ma'am.
okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I didn't understand the second step, that 2 alpha square plus 2 beta square.
That is LCM.
Ma'am, but if we take alpha beta, I mean, it should be
LCM
2.
is alpha beta, no?
Yeah, so shouldn't there like 2
Here you have to
alpha?
multiply with alpha. This term, this fraction you have to multiply with alpha, right?
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, but if we multiply the denominator, alpha and beta, then to get alpha beta in the numerator, it should be like 2 alpha square beta plus 2.
Why? Alpha beta is your LCM. So beta is already there. So you are multiplying with only alpha.
Okay.
If LCM is 15 and 3 is there in the denominator, you will multiply with 15 only.
No.
Then with which you are multiplying?
5.
That's it. We are doing here also.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
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 Okay.